Flowcharts. A flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of a sequence of logical steps of an algorithm. Flowcharts are proved quite helpful when it comes to analyze the logic of a program. Like algorithms, flowcharts are also created using the step-by-step instructions written in English language. Each instruction is displayed within a geometrical shape. The general direction of program flow in a flowchart is either from top to bottom or left to right. Let us now learn some shapes which are used to draw flowcharts. Flowchart symbols. This table displays the most commonly used flowchart symbols. Symbol, name, use. Start-stop box. It is used to mark the beginning and ending of the flowchart. Input-output box. This symbol is used for accepting input and giving output of a program. Processing box. This box is used for writing the processing instructions and performing calculations. Decision or condition box. This symbol is used for checking or applying any condition in a program. Flow lines. These flow lines show the direction in which the control of the program moves. These lines are also used to connect the different geometrical symbols in a flowchart. On-page connectors. These are used to connect one part of a flowchart to another. Basic flowchart rules. A flowchart must have a start and a stop symbol. It must have short, clear, and readable statements written inside the symbols. It is considered a good practice to create a flowchart that fits on a page. In a flowchart structure, the general direction of flow must be from top to bottom or from left to right. It helps the readers to easily read and comprehend the information. The flow lines must not cross each other. Use geometrical symbols correctly as per their functions. Let us now create the flowcharts for the algorithms written earlier. Flowchart 1. Draw a flowchart to prepare a cup of tea. Start. Take a saucepan, tea bag, water, sugar. Put the tea bag in a cup. Fill the saucepan with water. Turn on the gas. Let the water come to boil. Turn off the gas. Put some boiled water into the cup. Let the tea bag brew for a couple of minutes. Add some sugar to the cup and stir it well. A hot cup of tea is ready to sip. Stop. Flowchart 2. Make a flowchart to input user name and say hello. Start. Take name from user. Save X name in variable. Message hello X. Stop. Flowchart 3. Make a flowchart to enter two numbers and then tell which one is the greater number. Start. Enter num1 and num2. Is num1 greater than num2? No. Display num2 is greater. Yes. Display num1 is greater. Stop. Advantages and disadvantages of a flowchart. A flowchart too has its pros and cons. Let us have a quick look at some of its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of a flowchart. A flowchart offers visual clarity since the readers can understand the flow and progress of a program in a glance. A flowchart works as an effective communication tool, for it is a diagrammatic representation of a program. It helps a programmer to explain the logic of a program easily. A flowchart plays a vital role in writing programs. Once a flowchart is prepared, the programmers could use it as a roadmap to write the concerned program. The maintenance of operational programs becomes convenient with the help of flowcharts. Disadvantages of a flowchart. It is a time-consuming technique since drawing and redrawing symbols could be a laborious task. Showing branching and looping in a flowchart could be an uphill task, especially when a designer needs to change any logic in a flowchart. It usually requires a completely new flowchart. A flowchart is only a visualization of a program. Hence, it does not function as an actual program.